When I was 5 years old, my mother always told me that happiness was the key of life. When I went to school, they asked me what I wanted to be when I grew up. I wrote down happy. They told me I didn't understand the assignment, and I told them they didn't understand life. How wonderful it is that nobody need wait a single moment before starting to improve the world. Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away. First, have a definite, clear, practical ideal, a goal, an object. Second, have the necessary means to achieve your ends: wisdom, money, materials, and methods. Third, adjust all your means to that end. It's your place in the world, it's your life. Go on and do all you can with it, and make it the life you want to live. Plant your garden and decorate your own soul, instead of waiting for someone to bring you flowers. If you want your children to turn out well, spend twice as much time with them and half as much money. The battles that count aren't the ones for gold medals. The struggles within yourself, the invisible battles inside all of us. That's where it's at. I have learned over the years that when one's mind is made up, this diminishes fear. If you look at what you have in life, you will always have more. If you look at what you don't have in life, you will never have enough. What is harder than rock, or softer than water? Yet soft water hollows out hard rock. Pre-saver. Whenever you read a good book, somewhere in the world a door opens to allow in more light. I'm not afraid of an army of lions led by a sheep. I am afraid of an army of sheep led by a lion. There are two educations. One should teach us how to make a living and the other how to live. A man who gives you less than what he has to give is telling you what he thinks of you and telling you what he thinks of himself. We ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, fabulous? Actually, who are you not to be? You are a child of God. Your playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightened about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. We are all meant to shine as children too.